Hi everybody, welcome back to Beautiful Experiences for You. And I'm back with a new box to share from P. Louise. Here we go. It's so shiny. I've been MIA for a little while. Life got crazy. And I think it's gonna stay crazy for a little while. So my videos are gonna be kind of sparing for a little while until we can work through everything. But this box is awesome. So I wanted to make sure I got on and shared it with you. I have already gotten into it just because I could not get into it. But let me share with you. It's beautiful. Let me just say that. It's absolutely beautiful. Okay. So the first thing in this month's box is Whatever the Feather, Create Magic Forever. So it is a palette for eyes and face. You guys, wait till you see this. Oh my goodness. It's so stinking beautiful. Oh my goodness. Now I'm struggling getting into it. All right. I hope the camera picks this up well and does it justice because it's so beautiful. All right, you guys ready? Oh, it's not going to do it very well. Okay, that's better. The iridescence, you guys. It's so stinking pretty. Now, it is very difficult to see on there. Now, let me put some maybe on my hand if that... Yeah, it's not going to really show very well, I don't think, because my skin color there. But you guys, trust me, it's stinking iridescent, beautiful. So I had to share. I had to get on here and share. Okay, the next item is Pop and Shine, and it is a Hydra Glitter Bubble Primer. And I believe what it says is, I think you have to do your moisture and then this primer. And it says it blurs imperfections, minimizes pores, and creates the perfect base. Check this out, you guys. You see the bubbles? Look at that. I just think it's so stinking cool. I really do. You can see I'm excited about this box. Now, that one I had already taken out of the box. This one I also had taken out of the box. But this is Feel the Sparkle. It's a coconut scent, golden drip, a glitter body oil. And you're ready, you guys? Look. See, you could see like the golden in there. See, get the light. You guys, it's amazing. Comes with the pump. So I'm gonna put it on this hand. Oh my goodness. Wow, that's really liquidy. Look at that. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh, you guys, it smells delicious. It smells like a vacation in a bottle. So you're gonna be able to see. It is a very light kind of shimmer. It's very difficult to see, but that is not a bad thing because I didn't want anything like in my face shimmery. Oh, it smells delicious. Love it. Now, the most unique item I'm saving to last. So the next is Stardust Secrets Magic Moments Await. It is a loose pigment set. So it does say for directions, it says start by applying a tacky base or a glitter glue works as well. Now, I wish they had given us a tacky base because they actually call out, you know, they have one because it says our iconic P. Louise base. So I really wish they would have just given us one of those. But here are the three. So we have like kind of coppery color, and they do have these on them. So a coppery, and then like just like a white iridescent, and then gold. It's easier to see without the lid. And last but not least, I have not put this on yet because I was wanting to do it on camera. It's called Twinkle Tint, and let's see here, what else? Angelic Aura. It is a glitter lip balm. It has deep hydration, shea butter, and jojoba oil. It's okay. Here's what's funny. It says subtle sparkle. So it says wear alone for a natural look, or layer over lipsticks for an extra shine. Long-lasting comfort, safe and gentle. I find it funny that they say subtle, because I like ran this over my hand last night when I first got it, and I was like, there's no way I'm gonna be able to wear that, because it was not subtle. So, all right, back up. So here is the container. And I don't know if you guys can see that. Because it's not subtle. Look at that. Beautiful. Okay, here I go. I'm gonna take my glasses off so I can see a little better. Now, mind you, I'm being really generous. It does have a coconut taste. You know, this is, yeah, I swear every single like lip thing with theirs, I feel like it has a white tone to it. Well, you guys just got a close-up of my face. It doesn't look as glittery as it did on my hand. So I'm trying to, I gotta show you, I gotta show you guys. So let me look somewhere on my skin. I can put this so you can see. Oh goodness. I've got glitter everywhere, you guys. And I can't, all right, let's see here. Like I can't twist my wrist. Just, oh goodness. Oh, it's not really showing, you guys. Let me just say, it's crazy glittery. Crazy glittery. So, but that's it. So that is our P. Louise box for August, or maybe it's July. Not really quite sure. Am I one behind? I don't know. But not that I can wear this, although I'm gonna have to look in a mirror. Maybe I can. I am extremely excited about this. I'm going to use it. I'm excited about this. I'm definitely going to use it. The pigments, as always, my niece is going to end up with these. This I have to see. And again, I would love if I could pull this off, but I'm not going to be able to. So my niece is going to end up with that as well. So we are going to close here, but just want to let you guys know that I appreciate you. I hope the last couple months or month and a half have been going well for you. I do have a couple more boxes coming that are new that I'm going to want to make sure that I share with you. But again, my videos are going to be a little spotty, but I can't wait to share the ones that are coming with you that are going to be new. So, all right, guys, take care. Bye-bye.